Hi, I'm Kris, obviously without Kathy. We've had some news. Someone that's very close to us, both of us, has been sent home due to exposure to the coronavirus. So now, Kathy and I can't, we have to stay separate from each other for right now until we hopefully will get back a negative test on our friend. So, what I'm wanting to do today is I'm just giving you a little update and telling you there might be a few days that we're not here, and that's strictly because we can't film. So, what I do want to do is tell you that today, for my eye look, I went ahead and used the Melt Cosmetics Rust. I didn't know when I'd get a chance to use it, and I really wanted to try it, so I love it. I guess the Millennial Pinks was just a fluke, you know, because that one was really hard to work with. This one was super easy, super blendable, just fantastic. And I thought I'd go ahead and try the Fint Beauty lip, what's it called? Lip balm, I think. Glass, let's see, in glass slipper. There's a smell to it when it comes out, like a, I don't know if it's candy or, let's see. I don't know. I can't put my finger on it I don't know. But fortunately, it does not stay and like drift all over the place while you're wearing it. So, it's not too bad. Okay, I also got my Allure beauty box. So I thought I'd do an unboxing here since it's all a mess. I don't know when my Ipsies are going to come. I think I'm getting more than one this month. I'm not sure. Couldn't find a human being to talk to about it. Okay, so the first thing in here is a flower bomb. It's a eau de parfum, and oh, I guess it's called flower bomb. It's this nice little thing right here. I'm not going to open it. Kathy will probably get this. I don't normally wear fragrances because of all my allergies. Then we have, this is a car, and I think we got something. Yeah, we got a, this was like last month or the month before, I don't know which. But this is a balanced toner. Let me see. It's a cute little bottle. I'm unsure about this. I don't normally use toners, but we'll see. Then the next thing is, it looks like Ava New York NYC, and it's a Main Magic Multi-Benefit 10-in-1 primer. This will definitely go to Kathy because I don't use any kind of, I can't use any kind of this stuff on there. And then the next thing is by Cicapair. It's a Derma Green Solution, a color correcting treatment. Let's see. It kind of looks a little bit, but I probably will definitely try this. Then we have Allure by Jean Co. It's a hydrating and calming serum. This is the bottle. This will definitely go to Kathy. She likes serums. Then the next thing is Thrive Cosmetics Lip Filler Lip Liner. Lip Fuller Lip Liner. It's a semi-permanent micropigment technology, and it's in Valencia. Anyway, I'll give this a try. And then the last thing in here is a watermelon mask, which I might try myself. Now we'll try and keep up with the videos that we do one way or another. Maybe we'll do them back and forth. Well, I don't know. We'll figure it out. We just found this information out, so we still aren't real clear on what's going to happen. But no matter where you are, I hope you're well. Please stay safe and wash your hands. And yeah, that's it. I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye, guys.